Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of art supplies that I don't need but bought anyways is, I'm sure you already know based on the thumbnail and title of this video, but let's open it up together. I bought the Himi Miya 56 Gouache collection. I'm very excited to play with this. I didn't realize they made such a big palette until recently when I was suggested a YouTube video and I was like, I have to have it. I'm such a sucker for pretty art supplies. So here is the box for it. It's pretty heavy. It does come with a handle at the top, which is really nice. It has 4 pop sides that you have to pop open and then you can take it off. It has foam under the lid and I think I saw a bunch of people rip this off. So I'm going to see how it does before I do that. I heard it can mix up the paint and muddy the colors. Comes with a little postcard. Has a little swatch sheet on the back, comes with a thank you card and another swatch sheet. So there are color names on the swatch cards, but no color name on the lid or bottom from what I see, at least not in English. So I guess you just have to make sure you keep them in the right order so you know what colors they are. And I'm sure you've seen the jelly cups before. So because there is so many colors in this, I figured this video will be me unwrapping them all and swatching them out. I have a piece of watercolor paper here that is 9 by 12 and I divided it up to get 54 even squares. There is 56 colors, but 2 of them are whites, which I won't be swatching. I have a little OCD and wanted to make sure everything fit nice and neat in a grid, so that's probably a little crazy, but I like my swatch sheets to look pretty. If you've seen my watercolor collection video, which I will link above in one of the corners, I swatched out all the watercolors I have in my collection and I did like nice grids and everything like that. So I imagine it's going to take me a while to unwrap and swatch these colors. So I think that's all that's going to be included in this video just because I don't want it too long, and then I can do some paintings and other stuff in a separate video. So this will probably be just a chill aesthetic swatching video, which I always enjoy. So I hope you enjoy it as well.